Menteri Katanat Tourism uba Polingdo ula penbena hakas balang ula penbena baka Sorkar Jylla kan ai Kyrshan ya Nongshna Phlim badang yo ya ka National Award Dominic Sangma uba lingdo ula ongru uba ya ka kerteng jong in perkhadru na ka benta ka Meghalaya Day Award.
Well, first, heartiest congratulations to Dominic. And second, which is very important, I'd like to point out here that as far as screening of his movie is concerned, this is being actively considered by the department. Although he is yet to approach us formally, we have ways and means of accommodating that particular need of his. And where financial support is concerned, since he has won that prestigious award, the department, in tandem with the State Finance Department, will certainly take a call, and we will incentivize him. We will incentivize him one way or the other. As you are also aware, that we also have the Meghalaya Day Award, where there is a particular category reserved for the arts and culture. So that again is another distinct possibility where he could be considered for that particular award. So it is therefore misleading to say that we are not doing anything, and we will certainly come to the expectation of the people, come up to the expectation, and continue to support people like Dominic.